Hey traders, welcome to your Friday real life stock review.
Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with your Friday trade review. Every single Friday, I like to pick a trade that a trader has taken and just review it, give a little bit of a breakdown, and provide my thoughts and analysis. Today is Roku. This is a wave count that's a little controversial in Roku right now, which is fine. Without controversy comes no growth. But I do think that eventually we can slowly peel down a little bit lower. If we pop in here to the hourly chart, so far Mr. Squiggles is actually doing a pretty good job of kind of generally coming up with what it's looking like from here. I mean, we trade up, right? We rotated down. Since then, we've rotated back up, and we might be on the way back down. Pretty much the exact same price and time that the Squig Master has predicted. So anyway, on Roku, we'll just kind of see what happens. But I did have Lee mention she wanted me to check out a trade review that she did on Roku bearish, 107.51 by 108.15. Triggered in at 2:36 p.m. She took some partials and closed out for a small gain. So let's talk about it. 107.51. I'm going to pop in here to the 5-minute chart on Roku. And what was initially happening is today on Roku, Roku was trading lower and actually had a real life trader, Albert Chin, played Roku bearish. He got in once he saw this high wave candle form and he saw this bearish candle come in. He said, oh man, that's an evening star reversal. I'm awesome. I'm going to get in bearish. So he gets in bearish here with a stop loss there and gets out right there for 1R. So Albert, congratulations. Great trade. So Lee, she played at 107.51. And pretty much what Lee noticed is the exact same pattern, I think, on a smaller level. So if we come over here, look at this evening star reversal. Boom, boom, boom. And then look at this evening star reversal. Same thing. So she pretty much played that evening star reversal 107.51. And as she mentioned, her stop was 108.15. So 108.15 was right here. So we're talking a nice aggressive afternoon trade, which I really do like afternoon trades. They are kind of my favorite because you do have very tight stops. You don't have a lot of risk on the table. You already can kind of have seen what the stock has done. And this is one of those examples where, like Lee mentioned, it was just really, really tight risk reward. Great evening star, exact same spot that it rolled over before. She gets in. She said she took a partial at 107.24. So stock's coming in, breaking down, running really quick. She's all excited, woo! And takes a little bit of a partial off right around here. So right around half an hour, she gets out at 20%. Stock retest, right? It pulls back up into old support, new resistance, rolls over a little bit more, and then you get boom, 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 4 bearish candles in a row, and Lee gets out at 106.75 right before the market closes. So pretty much it trades in 4 bearish candles in a row. We trade sideways forever. Lee held in because she was expecting, if I turn the moving averages on, she was most likely expecting for it to potentially break lower, and it just never did. And sometimes it won't, right? And that's absolutely okay. Every now and then, though, late in the day, you can get some strong sell-offs. Most likely, she had taken the stop at that point and put it here. So her stop loss was probably a little bit above break even right around here. And after we came up, rotated, and kind of consolidated, she likely took the stop and put it into here. So there was no way she was going to lose just in case Roku absolutely dive bombed, but it didn't. Lee, I think that was a great trade for the afternoon. Really beautiful setup. Well done. For day trades, for me, I have only taken 2 trades and I won very, very small on both. I know I normally look at other traders' reviews, so I won't really dive too much into mine. But Tesla, this is one that I played bullish today for an exceptionally small win. Got in here on a breakout. Stop was down here and exited at 231.73. Let me pop that into the trading journal. 231.73, and that was about 0.4 hours on Tesla. And yesterday was Las Vegas Sands in the afternoon for 0.13. So 2 really, really small wins. Tesla was bullish, Las Vegas Sands was bearish, but I did get stopped out on a bearish swing trade today on AVGO. AVGO, this was one that I really, really loved as a trade. Super happy about it. I was like, you know what? Maybe the market can sell off for more than 2 days. But apparently, no, it cannot. So AVGO got stopped out on that one, but I am in, and we are in bullish on Pays, Pays bullish. Really good entry, and hopefully that one will slowly work out in our favor. So anyway, that's pretty much it, folks. Thanks so much for tuning in to your Friday trade review. Lee, great job on Roku. Albert, great job on Roku. And team, I will see you all on Monday. If you have any stocks or anything you want me to review, post it in the comment section below, and I will check it out. You guys rock. Bye.